Now let us learn, guys, how to create your profile. So when it's about profile, the first thing you need to do is your profile picture. And as we say always that your profile picture should be same on all the social media platforms. So one profile picture for all the social media platform, and then we'll understand how to add your bio and all small things. Now firstly, when it comes to profile picture, if you have a profile picture, then it's well enough. You can add that. You can just click here and then you can upload that image. But what if you don't have a profile image? Don't worry, guys, we'll understand how to create that. We'll use canva.com for creating such things. Now we'll create a design, and we need the size for your profile image should be 500 pixel by 500 pixel. For example, let me click on create a design, custom size 500 by 500. Now let me click on create new design. So I'll get one sheet, one design where the sheet size is 500 by 500 pixel. If I want to upload any picture here, okay, if I want to upload, then I can just click on uploads. Okay, upload media. Let me just upload from this device. Let me just close this out. Upload from this device, that is desktop, no, downloads. Let me big wing logo. Yeah, I want this image here. Okay, so let me just resize this image, guys. Let me bring it to center. Okay, let me just bring it down. Yeah, I want it in center. Yeah, so yeah, for me now it's in center. So let me just download this image. Click on download. It is always suggested to download it with PNG extension, because PNG has more great pixels and the clarity of the photo is very good. So always go with PNG images. Click on download. It will take some while to download and it's done. Let me just remove this. Okay, now coming to our big wing page, that is our Twitter account, we'll upload this image that we have created on this. See, I wanted 500 pixel by 500 pixel for my Twitter account, for my Twitter profile account. I've created it on Canva. Now let us understand how to upload it on Twitter. Click on this. Click on setup profile. Add a profile picture. Yeah, this untitled design. Yeah, click on open. Yeah, if you want to zoom this out, you can just zoom it out. Yeah, click on apply. Next. Okay, now what you can do, skip for now. Let me skip this. If you want to add your bio, okay, for example, if you want to add your bio, you can add your bio here itself. So if you want to learn how to add bio, see, bio should be the description about your business. Okay, for example, for now this is an online learning platform. For example, online learning platform. Okay, this is an online learning platform, so I can just add online learning platform here. Whatever your description is about, okay, means what exactly you are doing, that should be your bio. For example, now I'm dealing into online learning platform. This is all about online learning platform. So a short and sweet thing I've just added. For example, if you see on Insta, okay, in the bio they have given the link of some website, maybe the link of some videos, the link of some products or anything where you can buy. So if you want to do that thing, what you can do is you can write down here. See, in your bio you can't add, okay, in your bio you can't add the link. but you have an option where you can add the link. So in the bio, what you can write, if you want to get redirected to this page, click on the below option, that is click on the below link. So you can do that, but for now I don't want to redirect them to, so I'll click on next. See profile. Okay, so your profile is done. Now if you want to add the link, you can add the link also. Now you have 0 following, 0 followers, no tweets and replies, no media, no likes. Okay, now you are done with creating your profile, that is adding your image, adding a profile. Guys, go on canva.com, click on this custom create new design and add the size. See, your 500 and by 500 pixels, that should be your size for profile image of your Twitter. You can create any design, any shape. See, you can just take this elements, that is shapes, you can take the text, you can take the music, you can take some videos, you can upload some photos. Like for example, now I have uploaded some I have uploaded some photo from my media and I have just resized it out. So you can do that also, guys. So this would work out. So canva.com is a very preferable site where you can just work out on your profile images, your background images, your and all such things. Okay, you want to edit anything, you want to just make any changes, this is the best website which I prefer, where you can make and alter the changes. Okay, so now we are done with creating, now we are done with adding this profile image of us. Just click on this, click on edit profile, add your add your big wing logo. Now can you see, guys, this logo is seen half. So let me just minimize it down. Edit profile again, let me just click onto this. Yeah, click on open. Yeah, let me just zoom it a little bit, not too much. Okay, yeah, click on apply, save. No, I can, yeah, but this, can you see it is minimized a lot? Now click on edit profile again. Yeah, click on open, zoom it a bit. Okay, yeah, apply, save, click on save. Yeah, now you can see, now it's proper. Okay, so it should not be minimized too much, it should not be maximized too much, so it should be of a proper size. Can you see that? So when now you're done with adding the name, you have done with adding the bio and all such information, now your profile image has been created.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.